So Sean, isazo okulaba.
Tansobola so.
Ogamba otya mukama wange?
Bulungi.
Kiri kitya?
Bulungi tutambula.
Soka kitambula. Soka weyanjule.
Je baliko basoba nabanyabo.
Yeah.
Peter Sean Chilabo.
Sean Chilabo.
Yeah. Chilabo. Present gift.
Gift. Yeah.
Mbela UK. Yeah. Mama wange bamita Rose Namutebe.
Yeah.
Tata wange bamita Charles Lubega.
Charles Lubega.
Yeah.
Soko babuzeko ne mulwa British. Balyoke bakakasa enti ebintu bya ddala. Bayinza olowooza weefumba.
Greetings, my people. It's Sean Kirabo from London, Southside, live in Croydon.
Yeah.
And yeah, my parents, Rose Namuntebi, my dad, Charles Lubega. And yeah, I'm happy to be here.
So, Sean, bakuzala wa?
Banzali the UK.
Bakuzali the UK?
Yeah.
London?
Yeah.
Which side of London?
Newham.
Newham.
Yeah.
Segeza gy'osomedde gwe?
London, that's only in the UK, yeah. But where I was born, yeah, different, yeah.
Hey, obulamu bwo wangalira London, right?
Yeah.
Okay, embeera ery'etya London muganda wange. Oluyiga otya olulimi ate gwe? Ne bannaye. Omuntu abantu batugamba mbu temusobola yiga nnimi. Sime temubeera na budde. Sime bazadde bammwe tebaba na budde. Mwe abazaaliddwayo. What is the problem? Gwe waluyiga otya?
Naluyiga just kulira wulya. Just kulira wulya.
Ewaka?
Yeah, waka. Everything starts from home. No matter what the circumstances, it all begins from home.
Yeah.
So with me, when I was a kid,
yeah,
it would be a thing where mum and dad would speak Luganda, and every time I didn't understand, it's the thing where I wanted to learn. I wanted to just copy everything they say. Kati, they have a conversation. I'll hear the conversation.
Yeah.
And then what does it mean? You get it? And there'll be times where I like to repeat it, copy what they say.
Yeah.
And then there'll be times never seka. And then when they laugh, they're like, when they laugh, I'm asking, why are you laughing? What's funny? They say the word in English, and I understand it. And I keep the word in my mind. I keep the words in my mind.
Okay.
But it's about how many times you hear it. The more you hear it consistently, the more you begin to understand more when it's explained to you. So it begins from home. Every time they speak, they'll mainly speak in Luganda. That's the main language at home, Luganda. Sometimes when I'm asking for food, mommy will tell me, "Chibuza mu Luganda."
Kati omanyi basaba emmere? Basaba batya emmere mu Luganda?
Njali numa so kumpa ku mmere ndiyeko.
Okay. Omanyi basaba emmere. Okay. Ate water bamusaba batya?
Menyota numa.
Enyote.
Mpenda kunyako ku mazzi.
Sean, oba obadde Kampala gwe. Ng'olwogera. Sean, okikola otya man?
It's just the more I hear it.
Ewaka ekitegeeza mu lukozesa nnyo.
Yeah, tulikozesa nnyo.
Then at school?
When I was, I think when I first came to Uganda, I was 8 or younger. When I came to Uganda, when I come to Uganda, I'm here for a long time. I'm here for like a month.
Okay.
So I began to pick it up. I think from a young age as well, your mind is like a sponge. So whatever you hear, it goes into your mind. Yeah. So when I was in Uganda, at that age, I was around a lot of Ugandan kids. So when they speak, I'm like, how can I not speak it?
Which side of Uganda?
Kasangati.
Yeah. Ng'abaana boogera nabo boogera nnyo Luganda.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kati, I just began to adapt. Odiotia means like, how are you? Hello, how are you? Take it. And different things I would just pick up.
Wasuzotia. Wasuzotia means what?
How did you sleep?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey.
So you begin to pick things up. Like an old person, like grand person.
Okay.
Yeah, an elderly.
Okay.
Jaja Musaja, granddad.
Jaja Musaja omumanyi?
Yeah, granddad.
Jaja mukazi?
Grandma. Yeah.
Ate kojja?
Uncle.
Uncle is kojja?
Kojja's an uncle.
Okay. That's really good.
Yeah.
Man.
You begin to pick it up from a young age.
Wayigira ku bano.
Yeah. It's all about watching and noticing.
Yeah.
So once you see from how they speak and how they converse, I can go and ask them, what did you say? And they say, this is what I said. And I understood. Did you get it? And you pick up slowly.
Okay. Kati ki ekiremesa abaana okuyiga Oluganda? Like, people who are born in the UK, people are born in the USA, people are born in Canada, nobasanga nga tebalumanyi. What is the problem?
Me, I can say it's impossible to say you can't learn the language. Because simply, if you have a household, like a Ugandan household, per se, and your parents know Luganda, they're going to speak it from time to time. You'll understand a couple words, but speaking it is like you don't desire it enough. What I like to think was, if you want it bad enough, you have it. If you want to speak Luganda bad enough, you'll be able to speak it.
True.
But it's a thing where some people are so caught up in their own culture that they're raised in that they don't want to step outside the bracket. So when kids are born in London, they're so influenced by the kids in London, they're so influenced by their own bracket that they don't want to step out of it because they think it's not cool, they think it's weird. You get it? But for me, it's different because every summer holiday I used to have, I would go to Uganda, I would come to Uganda, so it would be normalized. But the thing is, the kids in London that can't really speak the languages, they don't go enough. They don't go back to Uganda enough.
Okay. Abogera Olungereza ennyo nga tebamanyi Luganda balwawo nnyo okujja eno. Do you think you need to come back, wetaaga kujja Uganda okuyiga olulimi, oba you can learn it osobola oluyiga ng'oli London or USA?
You only know so much. You won't know the complete things. So the things I've learned from the household helps me understand the things that I said here. But the things that I said here, I've upgraded on my knowledge.
Okay.
You get it? Knowledge is upgraded. That's how it is. And you begin to pick up on new things you've never heard in the house and these different things, and you bring it back to the house. And you tell your mum, you tell your mum something. Mum will make a joke, and I'll be like, "Mummy, touch your sussa." And then mum would ask, "What will you say away, people?"
Mama ngakubuuza wabi omuganda tokisusa.
Tokisusa.
Okay.
It's a joke sometimes, isn't it? But it would be a thing where just like jokes. You get it?
Kati tokisusa oba wakayigidde wate?
I have this uncle like
street.
Like street size, you get it?
Okay, but street.
Yeah.
Okay. Kuba kati olaba nti Sean bw'oyogera olulimi bagamba oyali loko. Do you believe in that? Somebody who speaks Luganda mbu yabeera loko? Do you believe in that? Oh, nti bamusekerera ali loko ng'oli British, ng'oli mu Bungereza.
So when I speak Luganda as a British person, and they say I'm local, like
some people turn it Luganda as a local, like they laugh at.
When they laugh, it's a thing where like
you don't understand them.
I can never feel embarrassed when they laugh at me because I'm not born here, I'm not raised here. But yeah, I know so much, and I know some things that people even in Uganda that don't know. So it's a thing where I can't feel embarrassed about what people do anymore because I'm from here, but this is not where I was. This is not like the home where I was raised. I was born in UK, and I'm proud of that.
So kati olulimi Oluganda lukuyambira waggwa gwe munnaffe abeera e Bungereza twagala tutegeeze bano ababeerayo nti olulimi luno lwa mugaso lukuyambira wa?
If it can help you in different ways, but also like when you're in UK, there's lots of Ugandan communities. So we have Ugandan communities in London especially. So wherever you go, there's opportunities and stuff like that. But when they speak and they expect you not to understand, and then you speak in front of them in Uganda, they'll be surprised. Kati bayanza kujereka kabaloza gwe tomanyi
oli fala
tolitegeera kati nenga soko kiddemu and then they'll be like, hey. I've done it a lot of times.
Omusajja storage.
But yeah, that's how it really is. And in UK, like, there's different jobs that require specific languages. I'm not saying this is like a lot. I'm not saying it's out there, but I'm saying it can be a tool to use in a workplace. Say I can speak another language because what they really look for is a person who can do different things. So if I say I can speak another language in a job like opportunity or whatever, I speak two languages, they'll be like, okay, at least that's a good thing, that's a skill. That's another thing.
So look, olwetaaga, like you need it. Koyinza osanga bakugeya n'obagwamu n'obakuba surprise n'obaga mwe bagayi storage mubadde mugamba ki ne balekera awo okukola ki. So olulimi lulungi, right?
Yeah, of course.
Kati osobola oyimba oluyimba ekitiibwa kya Buganda, like oluyimba lw'eggwanga ekitiibwa kya Buganda. Can you sing?
I can't sing, but no, I know the lyrics.
Some.
I don't know how to sing.
You don't know how to sing?
I know my voice is not conditioned to sing. Which they give.
Nice.
But I know the thing. Still chabugana chava na fetu chikumi nga. Yeah, I know it. Yeah.
Okay. Ne mama wakoze omulimu gwa maanyi.
She did. And I'm grateful.
You're very grateful?
100%.
All right. Kitegeza mu nyumba ewo ojiyingira buli kimu osobola kyogera mu Luganda. Everything?
Not everything. You can test me, but I know what I can. I would even surprise myself.
Esepiki echi.
Like a tin, like a pot.
Sepiki?
Yeah, wofumbira mu.
Eh.
Like yeah, so pot.
Ate jiko.
Jiko.
What is a jiko?
Spoon.
Spoon? Ekikopo chechi.
Cup.
So one.
Plate.
TV.
Television.
TV is television.
Television.
Okay. Ate entebe.
Chair.
Entebe chair?
It's a chair.
Ate ngatu.
Shoes.
Ate chicken.
Nkoko.
Cow.
Ente.
Dog.
Embwa.
Huh?
Embwa.
Ate elephant.
Koseka mine.
Elephant yenjovu.
Yeah.
Elephant yenjovu. Ate monkey. Monkey yenchima.
Oya kayimba bakaita kachima bachi.
Kachima ka Wembley yakayimba bane fit for Maika.
Yeah, that's the one. Kati, I heard that song a long time ago and I was just like, what does Kachima mean? And I remember like sound like Tsuga monkey or something like that.
Yeah, monkey.
Something like that.
Yeah, Kachima. Oh, yeah. You also listen to Uganda music?
From time to time.
Who is your favorite artist?
Favorite artist? I don't really have one, but the one I used to like listening to back in those days was at least...
Who was that?
Bobby Wine.
Bobby Wine?
Baby Cool. And Fit for Maker when I felt like I wanted to just vibe. Yeah. And there was Eddie Kenzo as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Eddie Kenzo, Bobby Wine, Baby Cool, Fit for Maker.
Yeah.
Those are the artists.
And there's one song I currently like.
Which one?
Philip.
Yimba.
No. That's the artist, Philip. But he died of
HIV.
Philip
Bongoli.
Yeah. There's one born in Africa. Yeah.
Born in Africa.
Yeah. I like that one.
Uganda ogisanze otya okuva le wazze. Kiri ekintu.
Recently. It's good. I like it. It's like it's a second home. So whenever I feel like stressed or whatever, when I need to clear my mind on some things, I feel like coming here is the best way of it's a therapy. Yeah.
You people.
For me, it's therapy.
You
because,
think?
No. Do you know why?
Uganda is a therapy.
It's therapy.
When you want to reduce your stress, you come to Uganda, right?
Do you know why?
I don't know why.
I'll give you the reason.
Yeah.
People here, they'll see it as Uganda's like it's a troubling place, whatever. But depending on the circumstances, you'll find some peace. Do you get it? For me, it's a thing where this place has already been like organized in a way by my parents that this place is like a place of fun, holiday.
All right. So how are the people?
I love the people, but some people are just trouble. But everyone has trouble somewhere, innit? That's the truth. Everyone has trouble. There's trouble people somewhere. I can't lie. I can't come and lie and say everyone in Uganda is beautiful, everyone's amazing. There's people who are wicked.
Some people are wicked.
Some people are wicked. It's the truth.
Are problems.
Lie. Yeah.
Full of problems.
Full of problems. A lot of people. There's trouble.
Obasanze wabo abayina ebizibu, abayina problems.
Problems are everywhere. But also, Uganda, there's places in Uganda we can go for paradise, like just to enjoy.
Where?
There's hotels, like just nice places in Uganda.
Have you seen them?
I've seen places, but I can't memorize them by name. But
but you've been there?
Yeah, I've been there.
Ngaziri good?
Yeah. There's good
to
places
your
in Uganda.
UK standards?
Yeah.
Okay. That's pretty good. So kati walidde kantu? Walidde ku kantu konna wano?
Yeah, like Ugandan food.
What have you eaten? Amatoke. Amatoke ogalidde?
Yeah.
But
I don't recommend it for myself. I don't like it as much.
You don't like it?
As a Ugandan, it's bad to say that I don't like matoke as much as other foods. But I like to. What I do love is Rolex. I like to know Rolex.
Hey, you like it?
I love a Rolex.
I have so many.
I eat so many.
Funa obudde tukutwale. Oli Rolex. Olira mu nyanya mbisi o
nyanya mbisi.
Nyanya mbisi.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me no Rolex UK.
To that chapati, we can just make it at home.
Oh, they don't make Rolex?
We don't have places with it. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but what we really do is we make people from Uganda like to come and make chapati. Chapati. And then what we do, we like to be creative, but we make it ourselves at home.
Okay. we need to get people from Uganda to come there to make chapati. Isn't it?
We make a lot of chapati already. It's just that the Rolex making it for us. That's
So Katishon, omwana akulide ebungereza, like what are some of the challenges zemuyitamu ngamwe? Because we need to tell our parents abatwala abaana n'abazaalirayo the real thing. Like what are some of the challenges you face? Do you have any?
Personally, me personally,
you don't have?
There are challenges I do face. While I want to begin with, like, everyone has challenges they face personally. Everyone has their own personal challenges.
Yeah.
No, not everyone can relate to some challenges.
Yeah.
So I might have a challenge, but someone else can look at me and say, that's not even a challenge.
True.
Yeah. So for me,
challenge nawe.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
But challenges in London is I can't. It's a thing where there's so much that you just can't explain. But challenges, they will come. Okay, cool. Some kids, there's a road life. There's a road life, and there's a standard by which you must meet to live that life. Because that life, the road life, basically includes like your own fun, following your own desires, having pride, and includes a group of people. So what I mean by that is, the group of people that you have around as your company will determine what accompanies you. Have bad friends, you become a bad person yourself. Eventually, no, you won't notice it yourself, but you'll begin to carry the characteristics of a bad person.
Oh, yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
Hang around someone who loves education so much, you begin to have the educational desire to push you.
That's how it is.
Yeah, but other challenges will face, like, okay, cool, some people, poverty does exist. It exists everywhere.
Where?
But in certain places, like when you go down to boroughs.
Like which one?
Croydon.
There is a place in Croydon.
Yeah. Some kids don't have the option to do certain things, like go to education because of the situations of their parents. So some parents can't even pay the house bills or the rent or this and that, and they have a bad way of living. And that bad way of living affects the child as well. Okay. And that child will begin to want to make fast money himself. And that's what leads to kids trying to do drugs or trying to do different things.
Oh, yeah.
They don't do it because they think it's fun. They do it because they feel like they have the responsibility.
Yeah.
And when they have little siblings as well, that's what adds on. They say, I need to... My parents not being responsible. Not me, but it's an example.
Yes.
They'll say, my parents not being responsible. My dad is addicted to drugs. Not mine. Example. My dad's addicted to drugs. My mum...
Doesn't work.
She doesn't go anywhere. She's nowhere to be seen. But me... I'm still young, I have a future. And I feel like I need to just get this money as quick as I can to stabilize the family. And when it comes down to doing that, you begin to look at anything for option.
Like
as an option. So you could look at dealing drugs. That might be an option for some people.
True.
And it is an option for some people, but it's not a good option. So you look at doing drugs, you look at joining a gang and trying to steal cars or like, not even steal cars or like steal bikes or whatever, sell it for pieces, stuff like that. Different things, but that's just the bad side of it. The reason why kids are doing it is because they feel like they have this responsibility and they feel like, no. They know in their minds that no one's gonna help them. If they don't do it, who will do it? Because their parents are not there. No one's setting an example for them. That's the issue. When you don't have a role model in your life, you begin to try to build yourself up on your own.
Okay.
And you have no one telling you this is wrong. You have no one telling you this is right. So your moral compass is not correct. Yeah. What is right, you see as wrong.
True.
And what is wrong, you see as right. Some people like even going to church. Some people will be like, church is boring, I'm not going to church. But church is the best place you can form as a person. Do you get it? Different places.
So kitegeeza nti muzadde wo abanga wa mu ghetto, like yafuna ennyumba mu ghetto, neighborhood yonna eri mu ghetto, which means esobola ku influencing obulamu bw'omwana oyo n'abeera challenged in so many ways.
Exactly. And they'll have no one to tell them this is wrong, this is right, this and that, because the people that are supposed to tell them are not around.
True.
That's what it is.
Okay, because when I was talking to Clint,
Yeah.
some friend of mine from UK told me UK is money based. Everything is about money. So is it true or no?
Everything in UK is money based.
Everything is money. Is that true?
You could say most things in UK are costly. And you could also say you get nothing for free. So what I'm trying to get at is UK, yeah, it's partially money driven.
Yeah.
But I don't know enough for me to be saying that this is all about money. So I don't want to come and lie to people and start saying this is money. No.
Okay.
The truth is there's a balance as well. There's a balance. People who are poor can also get help from the government. So there's no excuses. But some people choose to put themselves in that position where they don't want help from anybody.
Oh.
People do it to themselves, really.
Really?
They do it to themselves. Help is provided. They just have too much pride to take that help. Really.
Okay.
So, yeah, UK is stable, but there's poverty in areas. There's poverty in some areas, and there's some things that
people are not good.
But the thing is,
living good life.
the difference here in Uganda and UK when it comes down to poverty, people have no choice.